हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, जैसा कि मैंने आपको पहले वाले वीडियो में डिफरेंशिएशन करना बताया था, आज के इस वीडियो में मैं आपको कुछ टिपिकल फंक्शन के डेरिवेटिव कैसे निकालते हैं उसके बारे में बताऊंगा। सो टिपिकल फंक्शंस विच कैन नॉट बी डायरेक्टली डिफरेंशिएट, वी विल यूज substitution method or the chain rule. For example, if the given function is y is equals to 2x plus 1 whole raised to over 4, it is clear from this function it cannot be differentiated directly. So in such functions we will use differentiation by the substitution. So for the substitution, let here 2x plus 1 is equals to t. So the function y written as y is equals to t raised to over 4. It is clear here the y is now the function of t and t is the function of x. It means we can differentiate y with respect to t, and then t can be differentiated with respect to x. So using the chain rule to find dy divided by dx, we write dy divided by dt multiplied by dt divided by dx. The next step can be written as d divided by t raised to over 4, then multiplied by d divided by dx, the value of t, which is 2x plus 1. Now we can differentiate, so it is 4 t raised to over 3 multiplied by only 2, because the derivative of 2x plus 1 with respect to x will be 2. Now further solve it, so it is 8 t raised to over 3. Now return the value of t, because as we assume t is equals to 2x plus 1, so it can be now written as 8 2x plus 1 whole raised to over 3. So that will be the derivative. So this is the method in which by the substitution we can simplify the given function, and applying the chain rule we can find out its derivative. Now another example for the differentiation by substitution. Let given is y is equals to sine x cube. So this function cannot be differentiated directly. In this function we will use substitution method. Here for the substitution, let x cube is equals to t. So the function will be y is equals to sine t. Now it can be differentiated. Here t is the function of x. It can be differentiated with respect to t, and y is the function of t. So we can differentiate y with respect to t. So we can apply chain rule. So by the chain rule, the value of dy divided by dx written as dy divided by d multiplied by dt divided by dx. Now differentiate, substitute the value of y, so d divided by dt sine t will be there multiplied by d divided by dx. As we substitute the value of t, it is x raised to over 3. So next step we get derivative of sine t, cos t will be there multiplied by derivative of x cube, that is 3x square. By the common rule, the function is 3x square cos t. Now we will substitute the value of t, so we get 3x square cos x cube. So that will be the derivative. Please like and subscribe Physics 21 and keep watching to download notes of mathematical concept. Link is provided in the description. Thank you.